Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, Infosys has started sending the assessment date. So even for the system engineer and for operation executive, for both of them, the examination date is on Saturday, April 9th, 2022. So there is a difference between system engineer and definitely operation executive role. So in system engineer role, there will be pseudocode, but whereas in operation executive role, there will not be pseudocodes. Also, I wanted to tell you friends, so system engineer role, the salary will be 3.6 LPA, whereas for operation executive, it will be 2 point something. So it will be lesser than system engineer role. And you can see Infosys has started sending the emails. So Infosys recruitment team has sent on April 7th today, that means 12:35 p.m. So Infosys off-campus recruitment drive. And I also wanted to tell you friends, if you have not received the email for operation executive or for system engineer role, then please wait, because they have started sending emails just 2 hours before. And you can think, so you must be knowing about the data structure. So when they send the mail, so it will be going into queue. So one by one, right? So broadcast will happen, so it will take time. So please wait till tonight. Okay, so do not start commenting, or do not start asking your friends, I have not received the mail, what to do. So you will be receiving it. Okay, now how to do the preparation? So friends, in a very simple way, I wanted to tell you, so please do not regret later, start your preparation now. So we have Infosys Cracker Course 2022 new pattern. So it is based on the new pattern, and all the, I mean, the puzzles, pseudocodes, aptitude question, okay, each and everything has been covered. And the recent examination question, so the recent exam which happened, so that videos are also available in this course. So this course will definitely help you to get the job. And you can also see the comments of this is one of the best selling courses of online study for you. And the prices also we have kept very much nominal. Some people will tell it is more. So you can question your college, you have spent 10 lakhs or 5 lakhs in 4 years, but still we are not able to get the job. So do not think twice. Once you miss the chance, you will have to wait for more than 3 months, and even you do not know that when Infosys is going to conduct the examination again, because already Infosys has conducted 4 times in this particular year. So next time we don't know if the exam will be conducted or not. Okay, so I will tell you the syllabus. Okay, so syllabus is very, very clear. So you'll be having reasoning ability, you'll be having technical ability, you will be having verbal ability, you will be having pseudo code, and you will be having puzzles. So all 5 parts for system engineer role, and you will be getting the login details by tomorrow. Okay, so you can read it. So we are happy to inform that your profile has been shortlisted for this role. The compensation offered by system engineer role is 3.6 LPA. Additional benefits includes insurance and all. The first step of our selection process is Infosys online test, which will be conducted on Saturday, April 9th, 2022. Friends, all other information we will be giving it to you through our Instagram page. So if you have not yet followed our Instagram page, please do follow, because all the other information definitely we are going to give you through our Instagram page itself. Okay, so no need to worry at all. And through the reels, small videos, we are going to provide you all the information. So candidate who clear the online test will qualify for the virtual interview round. In case of any queries, please contact your placement office or write to us. Okay, so all these details has been given to you, and we will be updating you. So if you have not received the email, please do not worry about that. So exam pattern and the email, everything I have told you. And from the next video, definitely we will start with the preparation videos. So thank you, and all the very best for your examination. Get the course now and do not regret later. The link will be given in the description itself. Okay, so thank you once again, and all the very, very best to your examination. We are completely going to take care of your requirements. That's all. So just prepare, start your preparation right